morning.
Hello.
Wow. Ask and you shall receive.
Yeah, I said let's go and bam. Gib was on it.
Yeah, he's on it.
No warning, nothing.
Well,
good morning.
Glad you're here with us, friends, on this Wednesday. I'm Brendan. We have Heather. We already talked about Gib. Madison's back there.
Yeah, she's hanging out with Gib.
You want to say hi, Madison? Yeah, of course, out here. Come here.
She did joke and say that she could have done the weather. It's like, you could. Come try it. She said, I didn't say that. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So I hear her. I think she's coming. Anyway, we're in the digital studio, Facebook, YouTube, X, multiple streaming platforms.
Meeting you where you are.
How the technology works, I'll never know. But what I do know is Madison's approaching.
She's got her crazy metallic shoes on.
Crazy. I think
crazy
they're fun.
cool.
They're crazy cool. Hi,
Yeah.
Madison. Get in here. Look who's here. It's Madison.
Hi, friends.
She is, let's see, on day 3 back from vacation.
Yes, I'm back.
Where were you this morning?
I was in Grayling. Came all the way from Crawford County for the Isabo River Festival. It's kicking off this week.
Do you mind adjusting the shot, Gib? This looks weird.
Really short.
Thanks. Anyway, so that...
Where are the TV people back there?
At least the... No, I'm sorry, that was harsh. That was harsh. Please, Gib, can you zoom out the camera and tilt down? Thank you.
Thank you.
So in terms of the canoe marathon, what did you learn about it? Well, you've already covered this in the past.
Yes, I have. But I learned that there's a record number of teams this year.
Oh.
So, yeah, they have the most teams ever, 116. And they have they're from all over the country, people come, but they have 2 people from out of the country, Canada and Belize. So I thought that was really cool, that people come from all over just to northern Michigan to do a marathon. So.
Yeah.
While you were out hard at work in Grayling,
Yeah, wow.
Heather and I were chatting about just how it blows our mind. People can paddle, they're in canoes, 120 miles from Grayling to Oscoda.
And overnight? Like,
Overnight.
it's such a long race.
I can't fathom it. Every time he tells me, I'm like, what? Like, people actually are doing this?
But I was telling Brendan, Mike, I feel like the training is very similar to a running marathon.
Yeah. So
You've
actually,
gotta train.
yeah, the first he showed me after we were done with the live show, he showed me that the start line and you have to run with your canoe. And he said it goes back to 24 lines, and each line is 40 feet from each other. So if you're like at the 24th, you're running like almost a mile to even get into the water.
Oh,
God.
So
you don't want to be the last
So you want to
heat.
be, you want to be a runner and a paddler at the same time.
Oh, so you do need the strong legs still.
Yes.
Okay.
Because you can be winded. So.
Yeah.
So who's your canoeing partner, your paddling partner, Madison?
Oh, I get
Because you're doing this, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Am
try
I
it.
picking from the station here?
Yeah.
Who would
That's a good question.
Who would you choose?
Who would be your partner?
Who would be my partner? Probably not Gib, sorry.
Oh, we ruled that one out
Well,
right
one
away.
of you two, because I feel like you guys would be competitive, but you couldn't be on the same team. So, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Well, if we have to do it Saturday, I'm out because I haven't been
Oh,
training.
You're not going to be here. So.
Oh, I meant like I haven't been training.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, Heather.
I guess
I have
you're,
been lifting
you're it.
and I've been
Okay.
cycling.
So you can carry it for us.
So I can run a little bit.
All right.
Maybe a mile
Well,
might
we
be
both
my
have to
max.
do it together. I'm
Yes,
sorry.
and
I
my
can't
arm
pass
strength,
sometime.
my arm strength is building. The last
Okay.
year, that's been a goal.
Okay.
I think we could do. I think we'd be a good team, Madison.
Yeah.
Hey, look
Yeah.
at those guns. See them?
Yeah.
What?
I said, look at those guns. We can see it.
They're there.
Oh man. Well, you can stick around as long as you want. By the way, Madison's going to be here tomorrow and Friday filling
It'll
in
be
for
the
me.
girls
Thank
and
you.
Gib.
You're welcome. You're so welcome.
Gosh, did you
Hey,
sense that
Madison
sass?
likes working with me, right?
Yeah, I do. I do.
We have fun.
It's
Right?
fun.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, Brandon deserves time off. We'll let him.
Yeah.
Well,
However,
thank you.
I'll pass the baton to you now. Vacation time.
Next up, Heather, you should take some time off.
I do want to take time off.
We're like
We
pushing her out. Go. No, I'm kidding.
No, I'll go.
We'll
yeah.
run the show.
Are you going to do the weather?
I can try. Yeah.
She could try.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Figure it out.
Sure. Okay, I'll read the weather quiz for those who are tuning in. Let us know where you're watching from. We've had some new friends, and give us your weather report. It would be very helpful. And then we'll get into the forecast. If you have any questions, this is a kind of a complicated forecast, actually, with the showers and storms. We're going to see multiple rounds. It's not crystal clear on timing, so we'll talk about all of those things. How about that?
A lot of love for Madison in the comments.
Well,
Heather.
yeah.
Yeah. Well, you get Madison this time tomorrow and Friday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. I rushed back from Grayling to make it to Facebook Live. I'm like, we're already on Facebook Live. Let me get in.
Mm-hmm. She probably was just hungry and needed some breakfast, right?
I didn't stop actually.
Or like here, you brought your breakfast.
I usually carry it with me.
Okay,
but,
smart.
Yeah.
Yep.
Always
She's
on the go.
she's a seasoned reporter. When I was out in the field, I always had you had like some nuts and then I think sunflower seeds. It was a little package
yeah.
in case you don't have time to stop for lunch. Yeah.
Which I would rather just rush back to the station and work on my package usually, so I wouldn't be in the same boat. Just eating. I'd get the pistachio individual, like little or the salted, already, the shells off pistachios. Just dump those in my mouth when I'm driving.
I was always out in the field. This is when I was in Pennsylvania. I didn't go back to the station, so I needed some food out in the field.
Okay. Yep.
But in your situation, yeah, I'd do the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, more love. I should just leave. Heather, yeah, in fact, we'll just
You know what?
we'll just keep
We'll
Madison in here.
I'll
Heather,
just-
we'll just go.
I'll
You can
go.
run it.
I'll just give her. Here's my weather remote. Okay, and
just
then
hit the
just hit the
button
middle
and
button,
just-
Hit the button.
and just keep going, and it'll tell you the
Similar
forecast.
to what Gib does back there.
In all seriousness, Heather had to do a lot of work in college to get the degree she did.
Yes.
Yeah, just some work, just some math.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did have to put some work into this forecast today too.
Okay.
So, in case you're wondering, the weather department was a tad busy.
Making that green, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, the weather I interrupted. I'm sorry, the weather
I was
quiz.
going to get started and then got derailed. So, talking about, the sky, we are already under the Perseid meteor shower. However, there will be a time where the Perseid meteor shower and another meteor shower will be combined at the same time. And this will be next Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. So July 29th, mark it on your calendars. Maybe stay up late that night, drink some coffee, stay up to watch it because they'll peak at the same time. So how many meteors per hour are expected with this joint event? Is it 45 meteors per hour, 100, or 150 meteors per hour?
You going to stick around, Madison, or do you got things to do?
I might have to get back to work. But it was nice seeing everybody, and I'll see you guys tomorrow and Friday.
Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Same time, same place. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. So we are waking up to a warm and muggy start already this morning. That has been our weather story, that Wednesday and Thursday will be the warmest and hottest days of the week with that humidity building. So we're already seeing those temperatures if you're stepping out the door, 60s and 70s. And the dew point shows you how much moisture is in the atmosphere. You can see a lot of those 60-degree dew points indicating that we are a bit muggy. Sault Ste. Marie, Newberry, Mackinac Island, Beaver Island, Pellston, through Petoskey, Bel Air, Traverse City, Frankfort, Manistee, and Ludington, all waking up to a muggy start. You can see we're waking up to some clouds starting to move in. That's ahead of some showers and storms. We're seeing a cluster of storms there over the Keweenaw Peninsula, through Houghton, and over in Moraga County. You can see over in the east or western UP, and then through Wisconsin, we're seeing showers and thunderstorms too, moving into closer to Milwaukee. So you're probably seeing some lightning if you're over there. That's look at the severe storm outlook. We have that slight risk. This is for later tonight in the eastern upper peninsula. I will zoom in closer to show you. You can see Bois Blanc Island, Mackinac Islands included in that, in the northern tier of Emmett County, in that just northern edge of Sheboygan County, including that slight risk. So that's where we have the potential of some stronger to severe storms tonight. The highlighted yellow counties could potentially see some damaging wind gusts. The highlighted darker green colors are under the marginal risk. So it's still a possibility. It's on the lower end of the spectrum. However, it's still a possibility. Winds will be the primary threat. The secondary threats on the lower end are hail and an isolated tornado forming. Although it's not likely, we still have to talk about that. There is a potential, so make sure you're staying weather aware tonight. Today we'll see passing clouds into the afternoon. Winds pick up out of the south. It's going to be muggy and winds will pick up, so it's going to be gusty and warm. We'll see those showers and thunderstorms moving into the eastern upper peninsula. The first wave will be closer to dinner hour tonight, and then we'll see that line of showers and storms where we could potentially see a stronger storm embedded in those. So that's overnight. It's going to be late. And then as you wake up tomorrow morning, those shower chances will wind down. It's going to be warm and muggy again tomorrow. We'll see another wave of showers and thunderstorms into the afternoon, evening. So you can see the line of showers and storms. Tomorrow, we're under a marginal risk. You can see it will become a bit more isolated later in the night. So we'll see shower chances winding down throughout Thursday evening into Friday. Friday, we'll see some early clouds. It will be drier. So that's a look at the Charlevoix Venetian Festival forecast. This should say Wednesday, but this general picture here, 87 degrees if you're going today with that scattered PM and evening storm. Tomorrow we'll see scattered PM and evening storms too, and 87 both days. Still muggy tomorrow. And then Friday will be mostly cloudy and 84 degrees. A look at our comfort index. The dew points are the main weather focus because it's going to be hot and sticky outside today and tomorrow. Tomorrow those dew points will be in the low 70s. Friday and even into the weekend, if you were hoping for some relief from the humidity, a slight dip in it, but it will still feel a bit humid. So we're only going from muggy, oppressive, right back to humid weather. So that humid air mass will stick around. The Michigan Brown Trout Festival continues in Alpena today. If you're going to that, there's a lot of festivals going on. 86 degrees in Alpena, and we'll see that sunny sky and a late storm. Thursday, scattered PM and evening storms in 91 and muggy, and then Friday, mostly cloudy, 82. And then the Osceola River Canoe Marathon, it technically starts Thursday into Friday. However, we are expecting, they do at least have events going on now. So if you're going to Grayling for those events, it's the Grayling to Oscoda race. It'll be mostly sunny, late storm 88, 84 Thursday, scattered showers and storms, and 84, 84 on Friday, a few early showers. Here's a look at our forecast for today. 70s and 80s in the eastern upper peninsula. Warm, muggy, and PM thunderstorms in that southerly breeze. 88 in Sheboygan, Rogers City, Alpena, Mayo. 89 in Grayling, scattered PM storms. And west of I-75, we have a chance of the scattered PM storms, most of which will hold off until into the evening hours. 88 in Cadillac and Lake City, scattered late storm north. Here's our lows tonight. A warm and muggy evening, 60s and 70s, not comfortable sleeping weather. We'll see those scattered PM thunderstorms in the eastern UP. Same story on the east side. And again, this is mainly overnight and early tomorrow morning. So we're going to see those showers and storms, potentially some stronger wind gusts, even some hail is possible. 75 in Traverse City tonight, 72 in Cadillac, 73 Ludington and Manistee. Few showers and storms. So that's a look at our extended forecast. More of those showers and storm chances will stay north later today. We'll see those showers and storms winding down to early Thursday. Then a second wave will move in. It will be muggy, humid, hot. Still a bit muggy Friday, highs in the 80s. We'll see some clouds around early day, then we'll see some later sunshine. Saturday, we are going to be seeing those showers and storms, few storms south. Nothing widespread into the weekend, so you have weekend plans. It is looking a bit more pleasant, but still humid. Hot on Sunday, 80s and 90s. Monday, we'll see scattered rain and storms, and then a few showers into Tuesday. Next week, we're still expecting some active weather, and the warm pattern will continue. I still think it's going to be a bit muggy into early next week. Waiting on Brendan, still talking about the extended forecast.
Trevor Robideau's back from vacation, so I had to just get a quick update on how everything went. So,
was he out of town?
No.
Oh, okay.
Well, I guess it depends on what town you're talking about.
Well, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. We have Christopher starting our conversation here, saying hi, Brendan and Heather. He's watching from Alpena. It's 70, it's sunny. He's saying hi to Gib, and Lisa says hello.
Okay. Good morning, Lisa and Christopher.
And he's guessing 100 meters an hour. Lisa's guessing 45.
Okay.
He's saying hi to Madison, and Christopher's saying nice purple dress, Heather, and nice orange tie.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a specific purple, Heather.
It's more maroon, though.
Maroon, yeah.
More like Merlot-ish.
You got it spot on here with the orange, Christopher.
Yeah, he is wearing orange, but I know the coloring on the weather desk is a little tough. Just remember my white dress was lime last week?
Oh, we remember.
Yeah. Never forget.
So, looks like that's all from Christopher for the moment. We have Paul watching from Rogers City. Jackie is saying good morning. It's 64 and it's hazy in Kalkaska. Joel.
What was that, Gib?
is saying, oh, we have an update from Gib.
Okay, he was talking to me, and I can't hear him when you're talking, so.
Well, don't let me get in the way of your conversation with Gib. Everything good, Gib? Anything
Every time I ask her, Claire, he goes, no.
Anything to share with the class, Gib? Okay, and no, okay, he says no.
Jackie texted me saying that she made my scones yesterday.
The blueberry ones?
You know what? I need to get local blueberries and make those. Maybe that's a project for another day. Soon, though.
And she's outside the station ready to deliver those? Is that what's going on here, or?
I haven't got an update, but maybe.
You don't have each other's locations?
No,
You and Jackie
no,
are BFFs, I thought, right?
Yeah, but she doesn't track me. I don't track her. We don't need to know where each other's at. But are the scones on the way? Question mark?
Yeah, question mark. Joel is saying good morning from the road, heading to work. It's 74, mostly sunny. He's guessing 100. Susan is saying good morning. It's sunny and 69 in Kalkaska. And Jackie is telling Christopher and Lisa to drink lots of water today.
Okay.
Paula is saying good morning from Boyne Falls. 73 and sunny. Looks to be a scorcher today. Apparently we're still waiting to hear back from Chris, right, regarding the weather station.
Yeah, I haven't heard back. So, yeah, we're not under that heat advisory, but look at the heat advisories. Extend all the way south, even Texas. We're under the same heat dome. Can you
Wow.
believe it?
I guess I have to. It's right there, yeah.
Are you going to be out and about today, Brendan, in the heat, or are you going to stay inside and stay cool?
I'm going on a big ferry across Lake Michigan.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what I love to do is go outside to the top
Yeah.
and ride all the way to Wisconsin.
Nice.
I already downloaded my podcast.
Okay. Okay.
I have my not wireless earbuds, but the corded ones, in case.
He's old school.
In case, well, I have a reason, so I do have the wireless ones. But I thought, well, what if wind kind of catches my ear just right and because that ferry's fast. It rips your earbud out, and then it ends up in Lake Michigan. I don't want a fish eating that, so I'm keeping the corded
You
ones.
want to jump in and try to get it?
No, ooh, that would hurt. No, I have the corded ones, so in case the
Okay.
wind catches, you get it?
I got it.
There's the cord.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You don't want them to go bad, right?
Well, that too, yeah, a lot of reasons. People don't care. Yeah, corded headphones.
Okay.
Paul-
He's old school though.
Paul's saying it's a Madison Wednesday. Paula is saying, or guessing 100. And Susan's saying hi to Madison. Nancy is saying good morning from East Jordan, where it's 73. Susie Q is saying good morning, everyone. It's 68 in Frederick. Another beautiful day in northern Michigan. The water was so cold yesterday and refreshing.
Oh.
She's off to get her blood drawn and pick up a beautiful green antique lawn swing for her newly painted house garage. And then there's a cruise in Indian River.
Busy girl.
That's her Wednesday. Paul, I think, big fan of Madison, and again talking about Madison here. Mark saying good morning from Mayo, 70 degrees. We're big fans of Madison too, Paul. We get it.
Yes, we are. Big fans. We were so happy when she finally decided to join us back from vacation.
Yeah. Alice saying good morning, Brendan and Heather. It's 67 in Alpena and sunny.
Okay.
Hi, Madison. Good to see you. And hi, Gib.
Wow.
And then she has a separate comment, Heather, with sunflowers and sunshine emojis. Ooh, and smiling emojis.
Oh, okay.
David saying good morning from Granville. Susie Q is guessing 100. Bethel says good morning, Heather. Pretty dress. And Brendan looks great in his bright tie.
Thank you.
And guessing 100. Very nice of you, Bethel. Thanks. We have my mom watching on this Wednesday. She packs up. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mama Kinney.
She's saying hi, beautiful Madison. Looking great, Brendan and Heather. Exciting day for me because I get to spend time with my wonderful son for a few days.
Oh, is Benji and Bob hanging back?
They're, no, they're coming too.
Oh.
So.
She's just excited to see her son, which is fair.
Well, she's always with my dad and the dog.
Yeah.
So see you soon, Mom.
I am not excited to not have Brendan here for a few days because I will miss him dearly, but I will let him spend time with his family.
Well, thank you. Yeah, Heather has approved my time off.
I did, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have to go through me first, then your boss.
Quite a process.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mark is saying good morning from Fremont, Indiana, 74 degrees, and guessing 100. And so is Jackie, Susan guessing 100. Christine is watching as well, saying good morning to all. Nice to see you, Madison. It's sunny and 69 in Akiak. Y'all have a great day. Stay cool.
You too, Miss Christine.
Mark guessing 45.
Okay.
And apparently Jackie's also getting blood work done today.
Wow.
Good morning, Heather. According to Wally here, oh, that's right. He's talking about our question of the day. We're talking about ways to float down a river.
Whatever floats your boat or inner tube.
Heather likes the inner tube. We're talking about paddleboard.
I do like a good kayak cruise on the lake.
Canoe.
But I also like to just chill. I rafted once, and it was the most relaxing, fun experience. I was a burnt lobster, but it was fun. It was early summer, too.
Yeah.
So didn't already get the primary face of the sunburn. Tops of my feet burn.
Oof.
Just miserable. But it was a fun time until I got home, and then that sunburn just really, you felt it.
Oof, yeah, and then you're just warm. Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard to sleep. It's like, why did I do that to myself? I don't know.
So Wally likes tubing.
Yeah.
And then for your question, guessing 45.
Okay.
My mom says if it's not too much work, what's the weather this weekend in Oxford, Wisconsin?
Wow. Okay. Well, do you want starting today since you guys are going today?
No.
No?
Just this weekend, please.
Okay.
So as you're doing that, I'll say hi to Christian. 71 in Carmel, in Indiana, getting up to a high of 90. And then Mitchell giving us some advice in case you have your bike stolen. You can see who Mitchell suggests reaching out to. Oh, recovering a moped just last week. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Mitchell.
Mopeds always look so fun. And as a kid, back where I grew up, a lot of people would ride mopeds. And I was like, that's a goal. It wasn't like I need a boat or I need this. I wanted a moped as a kid.
So if you find Madison, yeah, go north. Stevens Point. Is it even further north? Is it maybe north and west a little bit?
No, because La Crosse is over there.
So yeah, that's a fine. It's somewhere in the middle of Wisconsin, yeah.
Like there-ish.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll put Madison at the bottom so you can see. Too bad Madison's not here. So zoom. So Friday, PM showers. Looks like mainly earlier. And then Saturday, PM spotty shower, I'd call that.
Okay.
Looks warm too. You can see this has the temperature plot of the overlays. It's gonna be hot and humid too. And then Sunday, sunny.
Slay.
Do you
Cool.
want Monday too, or?
No.
Okay.
No.
No. Okay, there you go.
All right, thanks, Heather.
It looks mostly dry. However, the heat and humidity will also be a factor.
It's gonna be moist. Ugh.
Yeah.
Ugh. Stinky.
Air you can wear. Stinky. Ew.
We'll pack our deodorant.
No, poor Benji. He's gonna be like, if you take him outside, if poor fur ball is just gonna be like he was during Cherry Fest.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We'll have his water handy. Kip saying hello all from beautiful Highland Township, and as always, love your format. Thanks, Kip. I'm so excited to read your comment. I can't even get the words out. Chris is saying good morning from East Lansing, and Seth is watching from Traverse City
Okay.
in Lima County. I know there's a Lima, Ohio.
Maybe
Lima.
maybe he said Leelanau, voice to text.
And Seth 200. Okay, let me. Okay. Could be, Heather. Yep. And then Seth, we'll give you a second to revise your answer. Because 200 is not one of them.
A, B, and C works too. We're easy, guys. You don't have to type in the numbers if you don't want.
Christopher's saying, well, it's still nice dress, Heather, but it drives me bonkers being colorblind.
That's okay, Christopher. I don't fault you.
You were so close. I wouldn't have come up with maroon or Merlot. Purple. It works for me.
Yeah.
It's a very pretty color.
It's fine. It's whatever you want it to be, Christopher.
Jackie says, I wish I could stop by. We're here for a bit, Jackie.
Yeah, we're here. I'll be here till like 10:45.
Yeah.
That works for you.
Oh, Ethan is watching from the control room.
Ethan and Gib back there?
Gib, why didn't
The
you say
duo?
anything? We're gonna wait just a little bit on that, Gib. But wow, he's just a few steps away.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ethan will be making his debut.
Very soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very soon.
He gets to hang out with Trev for the day, I believe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just want to get everything okayed by the boss. Obviously, Ethan's here. He's hired. But we'll just, we'll chat with the boss about
We're deep teasing.
when we do that reveal.
Stay tuned.
The big reveal.
Yeah.
And Christian, I think he wants to see the 7-day forecast in Traverse City. So maybe if you can pull that back up, Heather, please.
So, Chris, you said?
This is Christian.
Christian.
Yep.
So Christian, some background. People ask me this too, just in passing or when I go to visits. How do I determine the extended forecast? And a peek behind the curtain, we use the average highs in Sault Ste. Marie for the eastern upper peninsula, unless I look at the whole eastern UP for those numbers. But if they vary too much, I'll adjust them. The northern lower, we usually use Traverse City because that's kind of the middle number 2. So just how Joe and I craft our forecast, the extended forecast is technically for Traverse City, but we also include those details on the bottom of, a few showers and storms south Saturday means southern counties. So those details are what we fine tune to. But yeah, that's the extended forecast technically for the northern lower / Traverse City. Mm-hmm. Peek behind the curtain.
Because Christian will be out Labor Day time, so.
One of my weather watchers asked me that when I went to Curtis, and I was like, it's a very good question.
And Heather had the answer.
Yeah.
Jeff chimes in from time to time. I remember Jeff watching from Crystal River, Florida. Jeff's guess is 100.
Okay.
And Christian is heading to Tipton for my circle of friends. Going to a summer retreat this Saturday, July 26th through the 27th.
Okay.
My mom's thanking you, Heather. Mm-hmm. And Thomas is saying good morning. It's 72 and sunny on Bois Blanc Island. Mopeds are fun, but dangerous when mixed with auto traffic. Almost lost our son to one.
Ooh.
Wear your helmets, he says.
Yeah.
100 for the weather quiz and saying God bless. So thanks for sharing that safety tip, Thomas.
Yeah, it's always a good reminder. I wear helmets even if I'm on a bike.
Mm-hmm.
I protect the big brain I spent a lot of money learning meteorology for. You have to.
Good idea.
Yeah.
All right, now we're all caught up, Heather.
All right, so we're talking about a big joining of 2 meteor showers at once. This will be next Tuesday night, and that's July 29th for those keeping track into Wednesday morning. So if you want to put a reminder on your phone, maybe stay up late to see the event. If the cloud cover cooperates here in northern Michigan, that's always the tough one. However, weather's looking decent, so we'll keep a close eye on that. How many meteors per hour are expected with this joining of 2 meteor showers at once? The extravaganza, if you will.
100.
You are correct. 100 meteors per hour. Some will turn into bright fireballs if we do have the chance to see them. And these are the southern Delta Aquariids with the Perseid meteor showers. So those are both joining together. So Brendan and Director Gibb are tied so far this week, 2 for 3. That's where Brendan will stay the rest of the week because he'll be leaving us. And producer Brandon and Facebook viewers are tied 1 for 3. Today we had Gail.
And Christopher is bringing up a former employee, Mark Watkins, our former chief.
Dubs!
And Christopher saying, as Mark Watkins used to say, the temperature would be anywhere from +5 to -5 degrees from that posted temperature
Yes.
on the 7-day.
Yep. But we can also, you know, even like days like today and tomorrow, I was talking about this in our news meeting yesterday. If we have more cloud cover, temperatures can even vary from our forecast high on the 4 zones by even 2 or 3 degrees too. If we get enough daytime heating and warmth and radiation, we could see those temperatures verifying. So even cloud cover plays a role too in the 4 zone forecast highs.
All right. And then our friends giving us their, pretty good tallies.
Ooh.
3 for 3.
It's a good week for some.
Yeah, nice. And then we'll talk about the Thursday edition of Up North Live News today, Heather.
The Friday Eve edition, some would call it. Yeah, we're live 4:30 to 7 a.m. We can promise fun, friendship, forecasting, and Miss Madison's daughters.
And Nathan. Yeah.
We are just weirdos. We're sorry.
Are we sorry, though?
You know, you get what you get. This is how we are in the newsroom. It just bleeds into Facebook Lives now, so.
Obviously, with Madison being in the studio, she's not going to be out in the field. She'll hang out with Heather and Gib and Brandon.
She'll be anchoring Holding Down the Fort tomorrow with Brandon, and Director Gib will be captaining the ship.
Yep.
Correct, Gib?
Aye, aye,
You're
Captain.
Be in tomorrow? He's being sassy.
Probably not. And Kimberly, nice job getting that question right there. So
Good job. Good job, everybody.
And you know, Heather, we probably can guess the answer, but we always ask Gib, what would you like to say to our friends?
Yeah, Gib, what is the message today on this?
You know what? I wouldn't have guessed that one. Have a wacky Wednesday, he says.
Well, as Gib said, have a wacky Wednesday. The girls in Gib will be back tomorrow. We'll see you then.
Bye.